Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and best products for you. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best outboard motor hour meter on the market, the FEBWAN Inductive Hour Meter. If you own a gas engine-powered machine, whether it's a lawnmower, motorcycle, ATV, snowmobile, or even a boat or outboard motor, you'll want to stick around to hear all about this nifty little tool. The FEBWAN Inductive Hour Meter is specifically designed to help you track the runtime of your engine, helping you stay on top of your maintenance schedule. One of the standout features of this hour meter is that it's incredibly versatile. It works on almost any gas engine or generator. That includes everything from marine motors, dirt bikes, and ATVs, to lawnmowers and snowmobiles. Essentially, if it's gas-powered, this meter is likely a perfect match. Installing the hour meter is simple. You don't need to be a mechanic to get it set up. The meter connects to your spark plug, and once it's secured with screws or zip ties, it starts tracking your engine's runtime. No external power is required since the device is powered by a built-in, long-lasting, waterproof battery. This feature makes it incredibly convenient, especially for outdoor use in tough conditions. In terms of performance, the FEBWAN hour meter stands out with its ability to record up to 9,999.9 hours, with automatic rollover once it hits that mark. Whether you're tracking routine maintenance or keeping tabs on service schedules, this feature ensures you can keep a close eye on your engine's health. It also features an hourglass symbol that blinks on and off when the meter is counting time, which makes it easy to know when it's working. Durability is another key point to consider. This meter is sealed, waterproof, shockproof, and even resistant to high temperatures. It's built to last, no matter what conditions it faces, whether you're out on the water, on a trail, or in the dirt. What makes this product particularly appealing is that it takes the guesswork out of when to perform necessary engine maintenance. Tracking service intervals like oil changes, valve adjustments, and other routine services has never been easier. This simple tool gives you the peace of mind knowing that your equipment is always in top shape, helping you avoid potential breakdowns or expensive repairs. In conclusion, the FEBWAN Inductive Hour Meter isn't just for your outboard motor. It's a game changer for anyone with a gas engine that needs tracking. With its simple installation, durability, and precision, it's an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast or mechanic looking to keep their machines in prime working condition. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable hour meter, the FEBWAN Inductive Hour Meter is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Stay tuned for more.